Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
Audacious means showing a willingness to take surprisingly bold risks, similar to brave. Bliss is a state of extreme happiness, akin to joy. Candid means truthful and straightforward, similar to honest. Dauntless means showing fearlessness and determination, akin to intrepid. Eloquent means fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing, similar to fluent. Fragile means easily broken or damaged, akin to breakable. Genuine means truly what something is said to be, similar to authentic. Humane implies showing compassion or benevolence, akin to kind. Infinite means limitless or endless in space, extent, or size, similar to boundless. Jubilant means feeling or expressing great happiness, akin to ecstatic. Luminous means full of or shedding light, bright or shining, especially in the dark, akin to bright. Malign means speak about someone in a spitefully critical manner, similar to defame. Nimble means quick and light in movement or action, akin to agile. Prolific means producing much fruit or foliage or many offspring, similar to fruitful. Quell means put an end to, a rebellion or other disorder, typically by the use of force, akin to suppress. Ravenous means extremely hungry, similar to hungry. Svelte means of a person, slender and elegant, similar to slim. Convivial means friendly, lively, and enjoyable, similar to joyous. Derelict refers to something in a very poor condition due to neglect, akin to neglected. Hapless means unfortunate, similar to luckless. Mellifluous means sweet or musical, pleasant to hear, akin to dulcet.
Thanks for watching.